Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of a 2-pack of solar lights. This is from a company called Ambaret, A-M-B-A-R-E-T. Comes with the 2 lights you see right here, 4 stakes, extension tubes, 2 stakes, and 2 connector sections. So this will allow you to have this unit in the ground from 30 inches, 30.7 up to 42.9 or 42.9 inches, depending on what you want to do. Comes with a little instruction sheet that tells you how to set them up. These are unique because they're flickering flame design, and I'm going to show you how realistic it looks. You almost think that you're going to burn your hand when you go near them. So this is a very safe alternative to real flames. Now, this is not a basic, inexpensive LED blinking light. Each one of these has 96 LEDs in an array, and it goes all the way up and on the sides, 360-degree pattern, and it just looks pretty amazing. Now, on the top of these, there is a solar panel, as you can see right there, and they really camouflaged it quite nicely, so you really don't even see it. Now that's going to collect energy during the day. It's going to charge in about 8 hours, and then the internal battery is going to be charged by the sun. Now another thing unique is that the internal battery here is not nickel metal hydride, which always goes bad and has memory. This is lithium ion battery. So these came already charged, and I charged them ready in the sun, ready to test them. Another thing unique is it has an on-off switch on each unit so that you can choose to shut them off if you want to. These tubes allow you again to go 2 different lengths, which is nice. Now these will turn on automatically at dusk because that solar cell is a light collector, but it's also ability to switch things on and off. So the internal circuitry will turn these on at dusk and turn it on when the sun comes up, so that the internal battery isn't being used unless you can see them at night. That's really nice. This is ABS plastic. It seems very durable, a thick shell, and it's going to survive through all the weather that you're going to throw at it during the different seasons. So you don't have to worry about it failing. There's no wiring required. That's what's nice about these type of lights. You just put them in the ground, figure out where you want to put them, and then if you don't like the way they look, just pull them out and move them in a different location. You're not bound to where they're at because they're not wired underground. That's really nice. So I'm going to show what these look like. I'm going to put them in a dark room, and I'm going to really record the 2 of them going so you see how realistic they are. So I'm going to show you what they look like in a totally dark room. And you can see that the flame is really unique. I mean, that looks like a real flame. And I'm close to them. So if you get 10 feet away, 20 feet away, it's going to look even more real. So what do I think about this 2-pack of solar lights from Ambaret? I think these are really nice looking. I've never seen a flame this realistic. I think you're going to agree when you look at that footage. And I've never seen one of these units that has lithium ion internally, which is a much better battery than nickel metal hydride. And because of the complexity of the 96 LEDs, they look really fantastic. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thank you for watching.